Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful old Pavoni espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. I think we got the coffee a little bit too tight, but that's okay. But we need to get the portafilter a little tighter too. It's leaking. And then just try tightening the portafilter. Other way. Oh yeah, that's the right way, never mind. That's better. Maybe not. Usually once it starts leaking, you can't tighten it to get it to stop leaking. You just have to go for the next shot.
Should we do a new shot?
No, it's okay. We didn't replace the gaskets anyways in this one. We just did the heating element, and we did the power switch. And let's go ahead and check the steam quick. Nice strong steam. So thank you for watching this Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.